In this video, we're going to go through how to do a draper cow. For this example, we've got an S700 combine and an 645 FD draper head. This draper also has off-ground height sensors, so there'll be an extra step in this process. To start, we will go to main menu, machine settings, calibrations and procedures, header calibration, and of course read through this, figure out what you need, calibrate. You want to stop here, read through them. You're going to have the engine set at high idle. This page shows you all the steps you're going to go through. It'll make you go through them as we start. So we're going to go ahead and hit start. And you want to wait there. When you hit start, it takes a little bit to go into it. So we need to have our tilt at 0. Right now we're in positive 0.5, so we're going to press and hold the minus button, and it'll automatically skip to the next step. Now we need to decrease the cutter bar pressure to 1000 psi. We're going to lower our head resting on the ground, and then we're going to hit next, and then follow through each step. Press and hold the raise switch. And that completes the basic header height calibration. We're going to hit next and hit save. And the next step now, it'll go through the tuning part of the calibration. We'll hit next. Press and hold the lower switch. During this next step, the combine's going to basically bounce the header up and down off the ground a few times, and then it'll be done. This next step is because we have the off-ground height sensors on this draper, so now we need to increase the cutter bar pressure, basically making it a rigid head. And then we'll once again press and hold the lower switch. Combine's going to bounce the head on the ground a few times. And calibration complete. Hit save and you're done.